Alright, today I'm going to talk about a pen mill. What is a wood turning pen mill? Well, this is a set of different pieces that consists of a shaft and a cutter tip. This is a two-piece cardboard tip. All of these are white size, just means I bought them at the local wood store. I don't have any affiliation with this brand. They just seem to work well and they're available. So anyway, you mount it up in your drill like that, and then you take a piece of wood that you've just finished gluing together, and for this demo all of these have been drilled, but you put this in, and that initial cutter cleans the glue out, and then the secondary cut cleans the wood right down to the brass tube and then shines the brass tube up a little bit. So if that was cut off square or not lined up or way too long or whatever else, this does a really good job of trimming it. Can be called a barrel trimmer as well as a pen mill, but the secret is these shafts come in lots of different sizes. You can see this one is too big for the pens I'm working on, but it fits perfectly on this pen kit. So each of the pen kits need different size internal barrels for the pen milling process. You see I've got an 8mm, a 7mm, a 10mm, and then this is the carbide cutter head, which is 3/4 inch in diameter. But that's what a pen mill is. If you're going to do a lot of pens, you'll need them. You can do this in a drill press. I wouldn't do it by hand, and I wouldn't recommend holding the wood like that either. I always like to put it on a clamp, A, so my hands are out of the way, and B, so I have a little pressure in case something catches. But anyway, that's what a pen mill is. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell your mom.